The military aircraft and aerospace manufacturing market is projected to reach $339.6 billion by 2024, and $761.97 billion by 2034. Military aircraft are categorized into combat and non-combat types, such as tankers, transport planes, fighters, and bombers. Countries like India and the US are investing in next-gen aircraft, expanding demand for advanced technology. Challenges include cyber threats and high development costs, compounded by lengthy production times. In the US, increased defense spending is boosting the market with key investments like the F-35 programs. China is modernizing its air force due to regional security concerns, increasing its military aircraft manufacturing capabilities. Aircraft parts are a booming segment, driven by aging fleets and the need for technological upgrades across global forces. The US continues to invest heavily in aircraft parts to maintain cutting-edge fleets with the latest technology. Innovation, geopolitical tensions, and technological advancements are key drivers of this market expansion.